I'm sure all you late risers out there can relate to this. You know those mornings when you wake up and you kind of stretch out your arm and turn off your alarm clock and hit the snooze button and I'm going back to sleep for a few hours and miss the 8 a.m.? Well, this is something for you. Now you're not going to accidentally turn your alarm off before you really wake up because your alarm clock will literally run away from you before you try to pick it up. However, once your hand's within a certain range, the alarm will shut off. The circuitry looks like this. A 7.2 volt battery is initially connected to the Arduino. From there, 5 volts are sent to the ultrasonic sensor while it is also connected to ground. A sine wave is sent to the trig pin of the ultrasonic sensor, determining how fast the trig pin sends out signals. How fast it receives it then determines the duty cycle in the echo pin, which goes back to the Arduino. Judging by the signals received from the echo pin, the Arduino then determines the distance that an object is from the sensor. Now, from there, it then sends a 7.2 volts to the motors, which are connected in parallel to two reverse-facing diodes. These are then connected to the collectors of the two BJTs. The emitters of the BJTs are connected to ground, and the base of the BJTs are connected to the Arduino. When the Arduino's a separate wire also sends a different square wave frequency to the speaker. The Arduino is programmed to send a high voltage to the base, essentially turning on the motors whenever someone's hand is within a certain distance of the car. It is also set to send a sound wave to the speaker, except when someone's hand is less than the pre-specified distance.